Right, what's up, traders? Happy Wednesday. Welcome. So we finally got power back on the estate. There was a little bit of an irritating day, to be honest. I finished up new all-time highs on the S&P, reaching all-time highs on the DAX as well. Nasdaq up quite nicely, as well as the Dow. So let's get right into it. Right, as you can see, I'm going to go over a few H4 statistics. As you can see, today's review is sponsored by H4. So let's get right into it. As you can see, up $2,000 across all my accounts. I did call all these live in the Black Shirt Club Discord, our private mentorship. So trading them nicely. AceFix TV, I always stream Wednesday to Friday. It was a little bit of a bummer today with the power outage, but up $2,000 across all my accounts today. I had the DAX longs as well as the Nasdaq longs as well. Right. Taking our previous day's highs. If you go to this H4 statistic, guys, so taking out previous day's highs, I also put this in the H4 Discord as well. But taking out the previous day's highs, holding current day's VWAP, as well as previous day's VWAP, which is this blue one. The 200 EMA on the 50-minute chart is the white one. Current day's VWAP is the black. Red is the 21 EMA. Right, if we go to the futures section here, and we go from the last year, right, and let's go to the FDAX, right, so DAX futures. And let's go to my favorites, and let's go to previous day's range. So what H4 is, it basically gives you reports, giving you a statistical edge in the markets that allow you to gain advantage over your edge, right? Better your edge as a trader. It's not going to give you 100%, but it gives you edges in the market in terms of finding how you would like to trade. So let's go to the previous day's range. For example, I like the previous day's range report. If we take our previous day's highs, I know I'm going to be bullish, right? And that's what we get on the DAX. We take our previous day's highs, which is this white line coming across the screen. I know that I wouldn't look for longs. Price is making bullish price action, and keeping it simple, right? That's all it is. And I get long here off the break of this 21, and we just absolutely rip. I got out over here, and we rip for new highs. So solid trading day. We got an 87% chance. So when we take our previous day's highs in the last day on the DAX, 87% of the time we actually close as a bullish day. Now, by outside close, how often do we close above those highs? 73% of the time. So when we take our previous day's highs on the DAX, you don't F around with that. That's a bullish price action, right? You don't mess around with that shit. That's very, very bullish price action. And this is brought to you by H4. You got to keep it simple, right? So then the NASDAQ, again, look, we take our previous day's highs too. Let's go to the NASDAQ. Let's go to the NQ, right? NQ, when we take our previous day's highs in the last year, 63%, no, that's by outside close. 79% of the time we close as a bullish closure, right? So that's an extremely bullish sign. Using statistics, why would you try and short that? You're just asking for trouble if you do that. So those are my trades today. So very frustrating though is that as I took those trades, I was up. There was a power outage on the estate here in South Africa. Welcome to South Africa, right? And I couldn't be in to catch those extended longs. Obviously, if you go to my charts at the moment, closing on the highs there on the NASDAQ, on the S&P, new highs on the S&P, all-time highs. So this is a new all-time high. This is why we trade indexes, guys. These things trend, right? Nvidia a little bit flat today after a solid open, but we got some big bank earnings coming up this week in JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs as well. So we got CPI tomorrow and we got PPI on Friday. So just keep that in mind, right? Keep that in mind. But really solid trading here today for me, although be it a frustrating one, I didn't get as much as I like. So I made $2,000 across all my accounts. I mean, you're making money, you can't be upset. And if we go to my current, right, if we go to my current, so let's go this month. If we go to my current month, I'm up quite nicely, right? So we go to October. I've been green every single day of October. So very solid. If you would like to trade more with me, AceFix TV is the place to be. The link is in my bio. Go check that out. Right, taking trades every single day live on AceFix TV. So go look it out over there. But yeah, a solid trading day. Nonetheless, as I said, although be it a frustrating one. So we'll see you then on tomorrow. I'm trading live at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow. Appreciate your time watching the lives. Have a good day. Cheers, guys.